Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video is on a Ford Fiesta, and what we're going to do is remove the rear light unit, and this would be to replace either your indicator bulb, your side light bulb, fog light bulb, reverse, or brake light bulb. Okay, so it's just knowing how to actually do it. So first thing obviously is to open your bonnet. Okay, and here and here you will have 220 Torx screws. Okay, then you need to pull the side panel off. All right, to get access up into, see where the wiring loom is, up in there you'll just see and what you see there is a black screw like this. Okay, you screw that off. So your two Torxes, this black screw, screw that off, and it should eventually pop out. And then just give it a wee wiggle, like so. Okay, and you can see these have wee notches on them, 1, 2, which go into these wee holes here. Sometimes they can get sticky, so just a wee jerk and pull that out. And then from here it's pretty simple to take off your bulb holder. Is take off the switch, so you can see the connector on it, push up, pull it out. Okay, and then now you have access to the bulb holder, and on the bulb holder it has these clips here, one and the other one is here. So all you do then is pop them two together and the bulb holder pulls out. Okay, like so. And now we have access to the bulbs. And to take the bulbs out, all you really have to do is push down. Apologies. You push down on the bulb and twist it either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and the bulb will come out. And you fit all that in reverse procedure. Okay. Any questions, pop them through. Thanks for watching.